Alright, here are some elevators and some parking garage in Mesa. Wow, we got Westinghouses. Oh, I know, Aaron and Raymond, you'll love this. I am probably the first person to film in this parking garage. Wow, these are vintage. These are very cool. We're gonna get off at 5. Look at that old door track. These are probably from the 1980s, I would say. EA compliant phone. Let's hope these don't get the typical Phoenix mod. Well, I sure hope these don't get modernized. Hope they don't get the typical Phoenix mod. There it goes. Oh no, Aaron and Raymond, you'll love these. And that's it.